In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use two elixirs in Diablo 4 and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of having two elixirs active at the same time on Diablo 4 and if you are still able to reproduce this. So, if you have watched gameplay or even streams of Diablo 4, you might have noticed that sometimes people will have two elixir effects simultaneously active. It was something that was primarily tied to the Elixir of Anti-Venom. This is a special elixir that you can get through a quest, and after you unlock a recipe, you get a bunch of effects. But, of course, the main one that people notice is that when you used any other elixir, you were then able to also take this Elixir of Anti-Venom, essentially allowing you to use two elixirs at once. However, as you can see, this is not intended. On the wiki for elixirs on the Diablo 4 wiki, they mention that only one elixir can be active at a time, and if you try to use an elixir when one is already being used, the effect will be overwritten. This was actually because of a bug, so as you can see on this Diablo 4 patch, on 1.5.0, it was actually patched, fixed an issue where the Elixir of Anti-Venom could be active alongside other elixirs. So basically, to answer the question in the title of this video, it is no longer possible to use two elixirs at the same time in Diablo 4. You are limited to only using one elixir at a time. If you try to use a different elixir, the effect will be overwritten. So you simply have to wait until your elixir effect is gone, and then you use another one. Using two is impossible, and while it was possible in the past, it was due to a bug, and it only worked specifically with this elixir. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the bug that occurred back in the day and how it has since been patched. So as it stands today, according to my research, it is indeed no longer possible to use two elixirs. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to use two elixirs in Diablo 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.